impressed us most was the ability for us to do so many interesting things. We could combine exercise, cycling, and meeting interesting people from different places, and then seeing the amazing scenery that's around these Greek islands that we've never really seen properly before. So for us it was a fantastic combination of many different things.
One thing I want to say is that you feel like at the end of each day you've achieved something, which is a really good feeling. I would recommend it to all my friends because you get to exercise, you get to meet new people, you get to go to places that you would never go normally.